This exercise is called rubbing ball, and again, I've taught this in a previous live class, so you'll find it on my blog page in much greater detail. But just as part of this routine, let's start by bringing our palms together and just close your eyes for a moment. Breathing using your abdominal breath. Now gently opening the eyes so you can see what's happening. You can close them again in a moment. But what you're going to do is bring your mind focus to the palms of your hands. And we can actually send out our own chi from the palms of our hands with the breath. So what you're going to do is, I'm going to ask you in a moment to stay as you are, like in this position for now, but I'm basically going to say, just bring your hands apart, maybe about 12 inches, and then back in together, and apart and back together. And you see how my wrists are very soft. So I'm not stiff, moving like this, very soft. It's almost like your hands are floating through melted chocolate. That's a really lovely visualization. So as you breathe out, the chi will come out of the palms of your hands. That's what you're thinking of, 2 jets of steam coming out. So breathing out, the hands push each other away from each other. Breathing in, the chi moves back into the palms and the hands. Breathing out, breathing in, breathing out, breathing in. Okay, so from this position again, closing the eyes and just bring your mind to the palms of the hands. So you're thinking of the palms of the hands as little doorways which are going to open, and jets of chi are going to move out through the palms of the hands each time you exhale. So begin now by taking a breath in through the nose. A nice, long, slow exhale now as you allow the hands to part. Exhaling, visualizing chi leaving the palms of your hands. So each jet of chi pushing the other hand away. And then breathing in, feeling the hands come together as the chi withdraws back into the hands and the arms. And then breathing out, visualizing jets of chi pushing the hands apart. Breathing in, keeping the hands, the wrists, the arms really relaxed, shoulders down, smiling, using your abdominal breath in and out through the nose. So you can have eyes open, or your eyes half open, half closed, just with a gentle gaze, not really focusing on anything in particular, or you can have your eyes closed. But really just paying attention to your hands, any sensations you feel in the arms and the hands, and around that whole area, in between the hands, around the backs of the hands, the backs of the arms. If you notice any tingling, warmth, heaviness, lightness, feeling like the hands are bigger and swollen, all of those are really great signs that your chi is flowing into your hands and out the palms of your hands. So really just enjoying playing with, it's almost like a ball of chi between your hands, like working with the bellows to light a fire. So as the hands come together, you're compressing the ball. And then as the hands come apart, the ball gets bigger. And just keep going with that for another 30 seconds or so. Just enjoying that lovely flowing motion of the hands through melted chocolate or treacle, whichever you prefer. And now very gently, to finish this part of the exercise, just think of that ball of qi as a big cotton wool ball. And you're going to gently press it towards your lower abdomen with both hands. You might want to just gently open your eyes so you can see what I'm doing. So it's almost like you're fluffing the little ball back in to the abdomen, just retaining that qi so we don't lose it to the outside world, and keeping it in our lower belly, in dantian, in our energy center, and placing one hand on top of the other over the lower belly, smiling and breathing, and just observing how you feel in your body or mind for a few breaths.